Good morning, everyone. I'm here again to teach you the continuation of our lesson on integers. And for today, we're going to discuss about the combined operations on integers. Again, good morning, everyone. Shout out to M.1/1. We had our lesson yesterday, and I was so happy to see all of you, and I'm so excited to meet other classes. Tomorrow I will have M.1/2. And also shout out for those classes or rooms who submitted their work on time. And I'm still waiting for those who did not submit their work. I hope you will submit, and next week I will give late, or I will mark late for those who submitted their work next week, or who will submit their work next week, I mean. Alright, so last week we were able to discuss about multiplication and division of integers, and the rules in multiplication and division of integers are the same. Okay, so let's review the rules in multiplying and dividing integers are: the first one, when we multiply or divide integers with the same signs, the result is always positive. And when we multiply or divide unlike integers, the result is always negative. So may I see who are here? We have 1/3, 1/8. I see first 1/5, 1/2. Where are the others? 1/4. Porina, O else? Kim Jira, I feel, Pater, Rapasit, Isak, Pink, Ark, Mawin, who is a return of my studio. Wow. Ponyapat, Urin, Nacha, Khan, Garami, or else Ain, KT1, oh sorry, what a new pa, Pita, TJ, or else Nantawat, Kenjira, Natpapat, okay, and a lot, okay, I cannot read all of your names here. Thank you so much for joining our online class for today. And then we have, I said our lesson for today is combined operations on integers, or the other term for this is mixed operations. All right, I will just keep on reading some of your comments, but I have first to discuss our lesson for today. So to simplify or evaluate combined operations on integers, we need to have the acronyms PMDAS, or some call it PEMDAS. Okay? Now we will not include first exponent here because we will not, we have not yet discussed exponent That will be our topic after the midterm exam, the midterm. All right. So PMDES, P stands for parentheses or brackets sometimes, and then M for multiplication operation, or we multiply. D is for division operation, or we divide. A is for addition or add, and the last one is subtraction operation or subtract. So these are the things that we need to know to simplify or evaluate combined operations on integers. All right, so let's move on. So we will have first the rules. Okay, the rules, how to perform combined operations. The first one is operations in parentheses or brackets should be done first. It means simplify the expression or expressions within the innermost brackets first and work outside. Or simply, do me first inside the parentheses. So every time you simplify combined operations with brackets or parentheses, you have first to simplify all the numbers inside the parentheses and then work going outwards. Okay? Alright. The next one, number 2, we have here followed by multiplication or division operations from left to right. So we have here the word or. The word or means either of the two, multiplication or division, will come first, should be done first. So if multiplication comes first, you have to multiply first the number and then division or other operations. But if division comes first, you have to divide the numbers or the integers first. Alright, that's the second rule to perform or to simplify combined operations. Next, the third one is addition or subtraction operations from left to right. It means the last thing to do is to add or subtract. Again, we have the word or. It means either of the two will come first, should be done first. If addition comes first, add first. If subtraction comes first, you have to subtract. Alright. So that's it. Still, we are using the PMDAS. Parentheses, then you have your M, your D, what's D, this one? Your A and your S, okay? But you have your P there. P, what is P? You have your, what is it? P, okay, P, that is P. M, D, A, S, all right. So that is how we do the action of PMDAS, all right? Your M is just like McDonald's. All right, so let's move on to the next. All right, so we have example. Evaluate the following. Okay, number 1. You have 4 plus a negative 6 times 2 minus 9. So the red color means you have to perform that integers first or operations and then do the rest from left to right. So you have the operations involved for this example are addition, multiplication, and subtraction. So first, using the rule, we have first to multiply before adding or subtracting. So negative 6 times 2 is negative 12. So first copy 4 and minus 9, and then negative 6 times 2 is negative 12. So combining 4 and negative 12, it will give you negative 8 and copy minus 9. So the result is negative 17. All right. That's the answer for example number 1. Number 2, we have negative 14 plus the quantity of 8 minus 24 divided by a negative 4. So we have the parentheses. The first thing that we're going to do is to simplify the numbers inside the parentheses. So we have 8 minus 24. If we will use subtraction of integers, we can say 8 plus a negative 24 is negative 16. And then we have to copy negative 14. And the answer for 8 minus 24 is negative 16 divided by, copy divided by negative 4. And then again, we have addition and division operations for the next. So we have to divide first before adding. So copy negative 14, and negative 16 divided by negative 4 is positive 4. Combining negative 14 plus 4, the answer is negative 10. All right. So just listen first, and later you will have the practice exercise and your homework. All right, next slide. All right, so we have okay, that's it. I forgot to change to the big one, the big screen. Number 3 example. Negative 2 times a negative 10 minus a negative 5. So the operations involved here are multiplication and subtraction. So using the rule, we have first to multiply negative 2 and negative 10 before subtracting negative 5. So negative 2 times a negative 10 is positive 20. And then negative minus negative 5, if we're going to use the rule, in subtracting integers, add the additive inverse of 5 is plus 5. So combining 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. Okay? Who is this native priest ship? Just stop it. Okay, who's that? I will take note of your name. Who else? Invisible, you don't want to see my face? Kim, teacher, you can invisible. Oh, sorry, I don't know. I thought I am already okay here. If negative one side and 1 is not the answer, will be negative. What do you mean arc 29? If negative one side, I don't understand. Arc 29. If the negative one side, where's the negative one side, and 1 is not the answer, will be negative. 2 divided by negative 2 is negative 1. Of course, it's negative 1. Arc 29. 2 divided by a negative 2 is negative 1. Okay, when we divide unlike signs, the answer or the result is always negative. Alright. What's that? A key. RT29. All right. Next, continue number 4 example. We have 9 divided by a negative 3 minus a negative 8. So we have first to divide before subtracting. The operations involved for this example are only 2, division and subtraction. So first we need to divide before subtracting the integers. So 9 divided by a negative 3 is equal to negative 3 plus 18 because we have minus a negative 8, sorry, not 18. So we have to add the additive inverse of 8, which is our negative 8, which is 8. And then we have negative 3 plus 8 is equal to 5. All right. That's it. Any question? Arc 29, negative divided by negative is positive. We had already the rules last week. I will write, okay, I will type positive, positive. Positive, okay. Divided by positive equals positive. All right, it's easy. Zen handsome man said it's easy. All right. Yeah, it's very easy. Our topic for today is very easy, not difficult. Okay, next. Number 5, example. The quantity of 6 plus 2 minus 15 divided by 5 times 2. What is the result for this? So first, simplify the integers inside the parentheses. 6 plus 2 is 8. After that, you have to divide first 15 and 5. 15 and 5 is 3. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So the new mathematical sentence is 8 minus 3 times 2. And after that, you have to multiply first 3 and 2. Don't subtract 8 and 3. Remember, we use PMDAS. Subtraction and addition is the last. Okay, so we have first to multiply 3 and 2. So 8 minus the product of 3 and 2 is 6. So 8 minus 6 is 2. All right. Number 6. Number 6 example. You have 9 divided by 3 plus 7 times 4 divided by 2. What is it? 6 on CAP channel. Use a way. What language is that? I will take note your name. Watana. Use only English language. This is not homework yet. Wait for your homework, okay? Number 6 example. 9 divided by 3 plus 7 times 4 divided by 2. So first, we have 2. Divide 9 and 3. And then multiply 7 times 7 and 4. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 7 times 4 is 28. So our new mathematical sentence is 3 plus 28 divided by 2. And then copy 3, divide first 28 and 2 before adding. So copy 3, 28 divided by 2 is 14. Okay, combining 3 and 14, the answer or the result is 17. Alright. 3, 28. Okay, correct. 28, 3 and 28. But the result is 17. Alright. Arc 29, concave. Prism, what's the banded wall? Porina. Okay, Zin. Okay. Next, let us see. You have homework for today. 20 items. Because some said it's easy, so I will give you 20 items homework. Alright? You are allowed to submit tomorrow, and if not, on Monday. Alright. So, today you still have homework. You have homework. For today. Use report paper or A4. Use report paper or A4. This one. Use a report paper or A4 to answer your homework. Submit it on my table tomorrow. Second floor Assumption Building. If not, on Monday. Alright? Your homework again. Simplify the following. Copy and answer. Don't just give me the answer of your work or the answers. You have to copy and then write the answer. Alright. Any question? What's that? Kile. Zen. Write English, not Thai. Nói màyได้ใช่ไหม Mountain also in Thai. (1/2) Oh, sorry. Number 18 is 10. I will write the first is 10. Hmm. Please don't be confused. Kimte, don't copy and answer. Don't write the answer only. Next time you're going to show solution, I forgot. I will give only few items and then you're going to show solution. I won't give you 20 again. Maybe only 10, but you need to show solution on your paper. $19. All right. For 19, number 19, multiply first 5 and 6 minus 1 minus 6 divided by, you have to multiply -2 and -1, which is 2. So you have 30 minus 1 minus 6 divided by 2 is 3. So you have 30 minus 1 minus 3. Okay, number 19 I will write. Okay. Number 19. Five and 6 first. Copy -1. Copy 6 and multiply -2 and -1. So you have 30 minus 1 minus 6 divided by 2 is 30 minus 1 minus 3. So what's the answer? The answer is for 19 is how much? 26 concave. Yes. Uh, 19 is 26. Use PMDAS. You have one free now, number 19. I answered for you already. Okay. I know you can answer the rest. All right. So I have only 172 students today. Where are the rest? Okay. Natirip, you are also 1/3 with Zin. Everyone send help. Oh. You ask. Wow, dream production, this is fine. Okay, any more question? Stamp TV. Okay. We will end our lesson here. See you tomorrow and next week. Oh, number 14. Number 14 is the Otaku channel. Please. Okay, number 14. 7 times. You have first to add 5 and 3 and subtract 9 and 2 because they are inside the parentheses. Okay. Number 14. So you have number 14, 7 times 8. 7 times 8 divided by 4 times 7 equals equals 56 divided by 7 times 4 is 28. How much? The answer is correct or not? It's not easy, difficult, it's easy. Just follow the rules. P, M, D, A, S. What is P again? What is P? This one is your P. P, M, D, A, S, P, M, D, A, S. Pera pong 18 below 9 is number 10. Oh, 19. 19. Stop already. The answer is 26. Stop. 19 is 26. Okay. Why pump? Look. What is PMDAS? Is parentheses. What is it? Then multiply, multiplication. Then the division, addition, and subtraction. PMDAS. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Have a good and lovely day. Stay safe. Bye. See you next week. Matayong 1/2, see you tomorrow. For Matayong /2, I will gather your work tomorrow in the classroom. So please wait for me. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. Okay, time. Where's this?
finished it.
Yeah, finished.
I don't know, last time I know where to click, but this time no.
Okay.